Hello friends, I Dr. Chinu Agrawal, a psychologist, would like to talk to you about a special topic on which psychology has recently researched to a great extent, that is Astha, faith. Friends, we always associate faith to religion most of the times, but faith is much beyond and is an extensive topic. Faith can't just be for our Almighty. In fact, it's about faith on ourselves, but is also keeping faith on others when required. Once there was a lady who was worried most of the times because she could not conceive for a long time. She opted for a treatment at several places, but none of the treatments were successful. She would cry every now and then. So people started pacifying her that why doesn't she adopt a pet for herself instead? She could adopt a dog or a cat and bring it home, which would in turn give her a lot of happiness. One day, she was heading to the temple and on her way, she spotted a mongoose. A very tiny, super cute mongoose who was shivering due to extreme cold. She felt pity on him, so she picked him up and got him home. She started looking after him, taking great care of him, providing him the required nutrition, and gradually the lady became so attached to him as if the mongoose was her own child. She kept looking after the mongoose just like her own child. And the mongoose too would follow her wherever she would go, as if he was her shadow. It is said that when a woman develops a motherly feeling for someone, then Almighty blesses the person with her own child too. And this is what happened. Few months down the line, she and her husband were blessed with a healthy baby. She would tell the mongoose, "Look, your baby brother has arrived." The mongoose was also happy with the baby around, and he would play with the baby. One day, she went to the temple and she said to the mongoose, "I will visit the temple and return. Please take care of your brother." When she returned from the temple, she was shocked to see that the mongoose was lying on the floor outside the house and his face had blood stains on it. The woman was petrified when she saw this sight, and she thought that in her absence, the mongoose would have killed the baby and eaten him up. When we assume and get frightened, we tend to lose our ability to think, and then we tend to take the wrong decision. She was very angry with the mongoose. She said, "I looked after you with so much love and you harmed my own baby." The woman picked up a stone and hit the mongoose very badly, and the mongoose died on the spot. When she entered the room, she was shocked to see her baby laughing, gurgling, and playing. And beside the baby was a dead snake lying in a pool of blood. After some time, she could understand what would have actually happened. She realized that the snake would have come into the room to bite her baby, and the loyal mongoose saved her baby. She regretted a lot and cried a lot. Friends, when we tend to lose our trust and stop believing others, we tend to regret a lot in life. Vishwas, trust, Astha, faith are such important qualities which not just help us in building relationships and further strengthening our bonds, but they also help us in enhancing our professional lives, which benefit us in the longer run. There is an author named as Stephen Covey. He wrote a book called as Speed of Trust. In this book, Stephen Covey tells us that to not trust someone is more dangerous than trusting someone. Whom should we trust? Whom should we have faith on? On ourselves? On our capability? On others? On their goodness? And the most important thing is to have faith on humanity. Friends, When we tend to doubt others very quickly, we distrust them, we don't give them the benefit of doubt which is required in that situation, and that in turn tends to hurt ourselves to a great extent. One must have faith on Almighty, on ourselves, and on others. This has been proved in the research conducted recently. This conveys that having faith keeps us happy, optimistic in life, hopeful in life, and the benefits could be witnessed not just psychologically but also in a physical well-being. Nowadays, psychology tells us that religion, spirituality, and faith has been researched a lot over the years. Friends, when we visit a hospital, the doctor tells us, have faith in Almighty. The feeling of faith helps us in overcoming the most difficult challenges and obstacles in life. Having faith helps us to unite with one another and collaborate in life. So friends, always have faith because this has many benefits. Thank you.